Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol AAPL for Apple Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly here on the channel. Main thing to discuss is that we're furthering the case for this to certainly turn into a bull flag here, moving off the 50 SMA, off of a very nuanced higher low, right? On the daily time frame, you can see that. We have Friday's low, a higher low on Monday, and a small nuanced higher low again today on Tuesday, and we've closed up towards the top end of the flag, right at today's high of the session, essentially. So zooming in on the 30-minute time frame, like how is this actually going to unfold? Remember what we discussed in the other video, right? As long as, or excuse me, I meant yesterday's video by other video. As long as we're above that pivot point, right, the 172.76, you're looking for bullish formations, and we certainly have that on even an intraday level, right? This is almost like deja vu. This right here is almost the exact same thing as what we have right here, right? So if we can get some follow through up and over these highs, basically 175, if that can break, we know that 177.50 is ultimately the next number that needs to break before we can return up to that 181, because it was the first lower high from here down into there. So to me, that's what we're watching for on follow through in tomorrow's session. For someone who's not already long here, I would watch out for this, okay? So if there are any subsequent pullbacks here, this is now the level you want to see hold around 173.87. It's not so much about the 172.76 anymore. Let's remove that actually, because you'll notice that this is double bottom, neckline is here, and it's the lows of the flag consolidation pullback into the afternoon. So use that as the new pivot here. Consolidation is healthy above, looking for breakouts, something like that, up and over the 175. If we start taking out that low there and the neckline of the double bottom we just pointed out, then it's likely back down to 171, coming to the low end of the daily flag consolidation, right? And that's the line in the sand to sort of remain bullish on Apple. Anything underneath that, I would expect a retest of 168, and then probably just watch for sideways. The next structural setup would probably take some time to unfold. Maybe it's a 30-minute double bottom off of this area in here. I don't know. I'm just sort of talking out loud now, but we would have to see what the reaction is around 168 if we fall out of the low end of the daily bull flag we have currently. So that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.